Cody from Wild West Lift Trucks here. Our customer gave us a call, said that he had loss of power on his forklift, and as you can see right here in the middle, and from the evidence on the gasket, it was blown in between these two cylinders. Now, lucky for him, that means we don't need to do any machining. It was just the gasket that gave way, so his head isn't warped, and that's going to save him some money, which we always like to do for our customers. On top of that, he wanted a new water pump, a starter, and for us to fix anything else that we saw necessary. Now, we noticed that his tilt cylinders were leaking, so we're going to add that in for him. We also gave him a loaner to use, so he wasn't inconvenienced by the forklift coming to the shop or being down. If you or anybody else you know needs service like this or anything involving a forklift, let us know. Give us a call. Wild West Lift Trucks.